Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to pack and compress the RAR and zip files for your Xiaomi 12X using app called RAR. So in order to do that, we'll need to find the files that we want to pack. And mine files are pictures located in the DCIM and then camera. From here I'm gonna pick a few of the pictures and press on this plus button right here. Now we'll be able to customize our RAR or zip file, and we can do it by changing its extension from RAR or zip or RAR 4.x. We can enable to delete the files after archiving or create the solid archive. We can change the name of the RAR and zip file to something that we want to have. So for example, I'm gonna change it to picture. We can set the password for our archive, and it's gonna be 1234. We can show the password if we're not sure that we wrote it correctly, or encrypt the file names. After we're done, I'm gonna press an OK button, and we can change the advanced option visible right here, our other options in the options, and we can set the command for the files if we want someone to know a little bit more about this archive file. Now when we set up everything, we can press on the OK button in order to make the archive. And as you can see, our archive RAR is located right here, where we selected the pictures. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.